VIVOTEK provides a full range of robust panoramic products in different sizes and shapes for projects of all different sizes and scopes. Typically, in order to cover 180 degrees, it would require 2 or 3 cameras. A single panoramic camera can cover 180 degrees alone. This reduction in cameras also means a reduction in network cable runs, camera licenses required, and labor costs. Thus, a single panoramic camera can save a lot of time and money. First, we have the CC9381HV, well designed for short distance coverage with a 5 megapixel resolution sensor, a large 120 degree vertical field of view, and 15 meter IR illuminators. Next, we have the dual lens MS9390HV with a 180 degree stitched image up to 8 megapixels, 50 degree vertical field of view, and 20 meter IR illuminators. Rounding out our panoramic family is the 4-sensor MS9321EHV. The MS9321EHV provides a 20 megapixel single stitched image, 65 degree vertical field of view, and 30 meter IR illuminators. Because each model uses 1, 2, or 4 sensors, each model will have a uniquely different aspect ratio. The IR coverage distance on these models corresponds to the resolution. Now let's compare all 3 models in a few different scenarios so you know which one to select for your project. Here we have a very large shopping plaza. First up is the 20 megapixel MS9321. Then the 8 megapixel MS9390. Lastly, the 5 megapixel CC9381. Looking at them all side by side, it's clear that the MS9321 provides the best coverage for such a large area, and when we zoom in, it's even more obvious. In this scene of a pedestrian walkway, you can see all 3 models can cover this area very well, but it depends on what type of details you seek. Here, I would choose the MS9390 for 3 reasons. The CC9381 doesn't provide great details at distances. The MS9390's 8 megapixel resolution is more than enough to cover this area fully, and its physical size is less imposing around pedestrians than the bigger MS9321. Here we have a common scenario, a shopping mall corridor. The CC9381's high vertical field of view enables it to cover the entire walkway, whereas the other models both have a blind spot. Here the CC9381 is the only model to capture this theft. It's also the most discreet of the group and would mount seamlessly onto the wall. Another thing that's important to remember is where you're going to install these cameras. If space is limited, a smaller profile like the CC might work, or you could go in the middle with the MS9390. But if you need the full range of coverage in a big area, you're going to have to go with the big boy, the MS9321. We hope that these examples were beneficial in helping you select the correct panoramic camera. Understanding the surveillance area is critical in selecting the right camera for your project. VIVOTEK is proud to offer such a wide selection of panoramic cameras, enabling you to see more in smarter ways.